Welcome to today's video on the castor oil beauty hacks for women over 50. Unexpected uses for glowing skin, hair, and nails. Hey, gorgeous ladies! Ever wish you could have a makeup artist on call 24/7? Or maybe you're looking for some budget-friendly ways to pamper yourself without breaking the bank? Well, guess what? That secret weapon is already in your pantry. I'm talking about castor oil, the unsung hero of natural beauty. This amazing oil is so much more than just a hair and skin treatment. I'm Joyety, and today I'm spilling the beans on some incredible castor oil beauty hacks that you probably haven't heard of before. Get ready to transform this kitchen staple into a multitasking beauty essential. We'll tackle common questions like, can I use castor oil for my nails? And is it good for chapped lips? Plus, I'll share some unexpected uses that will leave you glowing from head to toe. I know you're probably wondering how this one humble oil can be used for so many different beauty purposes. It's almost like having a mini spa in a bottle. So let's dive into some common questions about castor oil's beauty benefits and discover some surprising hacks you can try at home. Can I use castor oil for my nails? Absolutely. If you're struggling with brittle, weak, or slow-growing nails, castor oil can be a game changer. It's packed with nutrients like vitamin E, which helps to strengthen and moisturize your nails. The fatty acids in castor oil can also penetrate your nails and cuticles, promoting growth and preventing breakage. To use castor oil for your nails, simply apply a drop to each nail and massage it into the nail bed and cuticles. You can do this daily or a few times a week for best results. It's a simple, natural way to get healthier, stronger nails. Is castor oil good for chapped lips? Yes, indeed. Castor oil is a natural emollient, meaning it softens and smooths the skin. It's also a humectant, drawing moisture to your lips and locking it in. This makes it an excellent remedy for dry, chapped, or cracked lips. To use castor oil as a lip balm, you can apply a small amount directly to your lips. For a more luxurious treatment, you can mix it with a bit of honey or beeswax to create a DIY lip balm. It's a natural, nourishing alternative to store-bought lip balms that often contain harsh chemicals. How can I use castor oil for my cuticles? Dry, cracked cuticles can be a real pain, not to mention unsightly. Castor oil can come to the rescue here as well. Its moisturizing and nourishing properties can soften and hydrate your cuticles, preventing hangnails and promoting healthy nail growth. To use castor oil for your cuticles, apply a drop to each cuticle and gently massage it in. Do this daily or as needed to keep your cuticles soft, supple, and healthy. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your nails. Hack 1. Castor oil. Hair mask for deep conditioning. If your hair is feeling dry, brittle, or damaged, a castor oil hair mask is just what the doctor ordered. This deep conditioning treatment will nourish and strengthen your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and more manageable. Here's a simple DIY recipe. Combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 2 tablespoons of another hydrating oil, like coconut oil or olive oil. Warm the mixture slightly and apply it to your hair, focusing on the scalp and ends. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for a more intense treatment. Shampoo and condition your hair as usual. Your hair will feel incredibly soft and revitalized. Hack 2. Castor oil for eyebrow and eyelash growth. Want to achieve those coveted bold brows and luscious lashes? Castor oil might be your secret weapon. It's believed to help stimulate hair growth in these areas, thanks to its nourishing properties and ability to improve blood circulation. To use castor oil for your eyebrows and eyelashes, simply apply a small amount to each area before bed using a clean mascara wand or spoolie brush. Be consistent with your application. and you may start to see results in a few weeks. Hack 3. Castor oil for cracked heels. If you struggle with dry, cracked heels, especially during the colder months, castor oil can offer relief. Its moisturizing and emollient properties can soften and hydrate rough skin, leaving your heels feeling silky smooth. Simply massage a generous amount of castor oil into your heels before bed and cover them with socks to help the oil penetrate deeper. Do this nightly for best results. Hack 4. Castor oil for dry elbows and knees. Just like your heels, your elbows and knees can also become dry and rough. Castor oil can be used to nourish and hydrate these areas, leaving them feeling soft and smooth. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your elbows and knees and massage it in thoroughly. You can do this daily or as needed to keep these areas hydrated. Hack 5. Castor oil as makeup remover. Did you know that castor oil can even be used to remove makeup? It's a gentle, natural alternative to harsh makeup removers that can strip your skin of its natural oils. To use castor oil as a makeup remover, mix a few drops with a carrier oil like jojoba oil or sweet almond oil. Apply the mixture to a cotton pad and gently wipe away your makeup. It works wonders on even stubborn mascara. Castor oil recommendations. Your trusted allies. In my previous videos on castor oil for mature skin and hair growth, I recommended some fantastic brands like Sky Organics, Kate Blank Cosmetics, and Heritage Store. Links in the description below. If you purchase, I may get a small commission that is not a cost to you at all. It helps me to keep making videos for you guys. These brands offer high quality, pure, and organic castor oil that's perfect for all your beauty needs. But what if you want to take your castor oil on the go? Well, good news. Many of these brands also offer travel-sized versions, perfect for slipping into your purse or travel bag. Travel-sized options. Beauty on the go. If you're always on the move, or just want a smaller bottle for targeted application, check out these convenient travel-sized options. Plant Life Travel Size. Natural castor oil. A great option for those new to castor oil, this small bottle is perfect for trying it out. Clyganic USDA Organic Castor Oil in a 10 milliliter roller ball. This rollerball applicator makes it super easy to apply castor oil to your eyebrows and eyelashes. Check them out. Handcraft Blends 10 milliliter castor oil roller. Another great rollerball option, perfect for precise and mess-free application. Organic Cotton, a gentle touch. When applying castor oil to your skin or around your eyes, it's important to use gentle, natural materials. That's why I recommend using organic cotton balls or pads. They're free of harsh chemicals and pesticides, making them a safe and soothing choice for your delicate skin. Where to find these products? You can find all these recommended products on Amazon. I've included links in the description box below to make it easy for you to find them. Remember, investing in quality products will enhance your experience and maximize the benefits of castor oil for your beauty routine. All right, ladies, before you run off to transform your beauty routine with castor oil, let's cover a few important tips and precautions. Patch test, your skin's safety net. Even though castor oil is a natural ingredient, it's always a good idea to do a patch test before slathering it all over your face or body. This simple step can help you avoid any unexpected reactions or irritation. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your inner arm and wait 24 hours. If you experience any redness, itching, or discomfort, it's best to avoid using it on that area. However, most people tolerate castor oil quite well, so don't let this precaution scare you away. Less is more. The golden rule of castor oil. Remember, castor oil is thick and can be a bit sticky. So when using it for beauty hacks, a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it as needed. For example, you only need a drop or two for your nails or cuticles. For a lip balm, a pea-sized amount mixed with other ingredients is usually enough. Using too much can leave a greasy residue and might not be as effective. Mindful application. The right tools for the job. When applying castor oil to delicate areas like your eyes or lips, it's best to use a clean mascara wand, spoolie brush, or a cotton swab. This helps you apply the oil precisely and avoid getting it in your eyes. For larger areas like your heels or elbows, you can use your fingers to massage it in. Just be sure to wash your hands thoroughly afterwards to avoid transferring the oil to other surfaces. Be patient and consistent. Results take time. Just like with any beauty treatment, consistency is key when using castor oil. Don't expect overnight miracles. Give the oil time to work its magic and be patient with the process. Use it regularly as part of your beauty routine, and you'll start to see noticeable improvements in your skin, hair, and nails over time. Remember, natural beauty is a journey, not a destination. Well, ladies, there you have it. We've uncovered a treasure trove of castor oil beauty hacks that can transform your skin, hair, and nails naturally. From deep conditioning hair masks to soothing lip balms and cuticle treatments, this versatile oil is truly a multitasking marvel. We've answered your burning questions about using castor oil for nails, lips, and cuticles, and explored some exciting bonus hacks like cracked heel treatments and makeup removal. I encourage you to experiment with these castor oil beauty hacks and discover which ones work best for you. Remember, it's all about having fun, embracing your natural beauty, and finding simple, effective ways to pamper yourself. For those of you ready to try these hacks, don't forget to check out the description box below for links to my recommended castor oil products in both full-sized and travel-sized options. And of course, grab those organic cotton balls or pads for safe and gentle application. If you're new to my channel, be sure to watch my previous videos on castor oil for mature skin, hair growth, and joint pain relief. You can find the links in the description box below. And stay tuned for my next video, where we'll dive deeper into the world of natural remedies for radiant skin and hair. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please share them below. I'd love to hear about your castor oil beauty adventures. And until next time, remember, you are beautiful, inside and out.